Hey guys, it's your girl Be by Ari, and I'm back with another video. Hey guys, it's your girl Be by Ari, and I'm back with another video. It is currently 12. Oh, let's try and get this thing right. Currently 12:22 p.m. It won't show, but according to my tablet, it is 12:22 p.m. and I'm just waking up for today. As you already probably read in the caption, today's video is pretty much a vlog. Get ready with me when I get ready for work. So I'm gonna show you guys my daily routine, what I normally do. I'm gonna give it to you straight, cut, and raw. No edits, no faking, none of that like most of these YouTubers do. But this is how I look when I first wake up with my huge bonnet, and all that. So, as well as this is a vlog, I'm gonna actually do a story time too. I'm thinking about doing a story time, or should I save that for another video?
5 hours later.
I don't know, but I'll get back to you guys. So I'm about to go ahead and pick an outfit or something for me to wear for work today, and then get ready to get washed up and all of that good stuff. So I'll be right back, guys. So I'm back, guys. I was trying to pick out an outfit or something. I haven't caught in the shower yet. I'm currently watching some Hell's Kitchen, catching up on that and all that good stuff. But where I am, the current degree is 40 degrees outside, so it's pretty cool. So I was trying to debate what should I wear.
Should I go with the light blue with some long sleeve light blue shirt, or some dark blue jeans with green, white, and navy blue sweater?
And I don't know why, for some odd reason, I feel like the jean is more me. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and choose these for today. So I'm gonna go ahead, get washed, all that good stuff, and I will be back, you guys. So I am back and officially done getting washed and dressed and all that good stuff. So you know how I said I was going to do the story time, so I decided I was going to do it. And today's story time is about the first time I actually got high. Yes, the first time I actually got high. I don't think that I want to put the time date because job reasons, and I don't want any of my employees watching this video and probably thinking that I'm still doing it. I just want to leave this right here. I am not a smoker, so yeah, and you would probably tell by the story. Okay, well, this was one time I went with my cousin and her friend, and we were going out for a special occasion. I don't really want to say it. And you know how as women, we like to get pre-turned up, drink a little alcohol before we get to the location. Many people not probably going to know because you're not from this area that I live in. I live in South Carolina. And me and my cousin and her friend went to Columbia, 5 Points. A lot of people in my area knows what 5 Points. Lord, my glass was crooked. Y'all wasn't going to let me know?
Let me know.
So, my cousin's friend was driving, and she had some weed on her. And we were smoking. My cousin wasn't smoking because she's not really into that, but I just wanted to get pre-turned up as ladies normally do. And so I'm smoking it, like, not really knowing how to smoke and how to blow it or anything of that nature. So I was just watching her as she was doing it and just mimicking her. So probably 10-20 minutes tops later, we're still in the car. So probably 10-20 minutes tops later. We're still in the car riding, getting to the destination, and everything just started being in slow motion. And I'm like, yo, Am I tripping?
And mind you not, excuse me, I was in the back seat the whole entire time. My cousin friend, she was driving, and my cousin was riding passenger side, and I was in the back seat. And I'm
Right now trying to text, and sometimes I wear my glasses, sometimes I wear my contacts. Then I had my contacts on because I had my makeup and everything looking very pretty. And so I'm like, yo, is this my contacts fucking with my eyesight? Like, what's going on? Like, why does everything look like it's moving in slow motion? I'm all in the backseat tripping, guys, just doing this, looking at my hands like, yo, like, I could not feel my face. I was feeling my face, y'all. I couldn't feel anything. Like, my whole entire body was numb. I was like, yo, what the fuck?
Take a nigga life on per. Here's one punch, lay it back on the sun. Big black smirk.
While I get ready for work, so to finish the story, I'm in the back seat of the car, hard down tripping, guys. I'm like, yo, like, am I bugging? Like, am I seriously bugging, or is this like, so I'm hard out in the back seat, just like, what the fuck going on, touching my face. And I had some face decoration and makeup and everything on, and I'm like, yo, I couldn't feel nothing. When I say nothing, I couldn't feel nothing, guys. So I'm in the back texting my sister like, yo, am I supposed to feel this way? Is this normal?
like, what the hell is going on? And then someone later weed. Oh, wait, yo, I felt like I was on cloud 9 when they be like, you on cloud 9. Bro, that shit is so real.
And I didn't like the feeling because I was drunk and high at the same time. So I'm like, yo, like, what the fuck? Like, those 3 letters is the only thing, and 3 words is the only thing that was running through my mind. Like, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Like, is this real? Like, so this is what everybody likes? So I'm just hard down bugging, touching my face, yo, and text my sister. And I was texting my sister and blowing her up about the way I was feeling, to the point she ended up getting frustrated. She was like, it's normal, chill the fuck out, yo, it's normal, it's okay, you're fine. No, it's not lace, just chill out, enjoy yourself, have fun. And I'm like, okay, you know what, I'm gonna take her advice. And have you ever seen one of those white girls who's crazy drunk and just stumbling everywhere? That was me, just stumbling everywhere. And so I put my cousin to the side after annoying my sister for a while. And guys, if you're wondering, I'm using an angle brush to add the brow pomade. I'm using some from my Sephora kit that I got about 2 or 3 Christmases ago. So yeah.
I put my cousin to the side, I'm like, yo, do you know, like, where she's getting this stuff from? Like, what? Like, is this normal? Have you ever done it? She's like, no, I never done it before with her. But I'm pretty sure, you know, it's not lace.
Well, and I really feel like she was bugging too, because like I said, it was me and her, the only 2 smoking. And she was the one driving. And like, sis could not stay in her lane. Like, she was like, I was like, I got scared at a point in time. Like, she could not stay in her lane. And we was using the GPS, and GPS saying take a left. She's steady taking a right, and at the same time it was like I was like crazy hot, hungry at the same time. And I guess every single time when I was feeling it, she was feeling it too, because she will literally wind the window down every single time I was getting hot. And I was like, yeah, so maybe I'm not tripping. Maybe she's feeling the same way I am. Maybe it's weird for me because I haven't smoked before. So she wasn't saying anything because I'm assuming she does it a lot. So she was used to it.
But yes, y'all.
They pretty much come to the conclusion of that story. This brow's looking all right. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my brows and everything off, and you might catch me next time recording in my car on my way to work. See y'all. Okay guys, I'm back. This is my car, Bella. You want to say hey to Bella? Yeah, I'm running a little bit late to work. I was supposed to be at work at 2 o'clock today, and it is, I think, currently 1 something. And I live 30 minutes away from my job. So right now I gotta kind of rush and hopefully beat the clock. So I was gonna try and vlog and drive, but I don't think I am because I gotta rush. Y'all, my camera ended up dying, but like I'm saying, I'm late to work. It's currently 1:43 and I'm supposed to be at work at 2 o'clock, and I live 30 minutes away from my job. So right now I'm currently kind of driving a little fast to try and make it on time, because definitely don't want to be late. So I guess this will come to the conclusion of my vlog, y'all. This is my first one. I think it did pretty well. If you like to see more vlogs and different kind of things like that, make sure you like and comment and subscribe, and just let me know what more videos you would like to see, what more content you want. I will have some more videos coming, like the way I did my scarf. If you like the way I did my scarf, if you want to know, yes, like I was saying, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you click the bell to be notified when I post new videos. Thank you again, guys, for everyone who's been subscribed to me for the longest, for my new subscribers and everything. I appreciate the love. Make sure you drop a comment. Let me know what kind of content you like for me to upload. Thank you again for the love and support, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Hey guys, I know I said I was done, but I just want to let y'all know that I made it to work. I work at Walmart, if y'all guys don't know, right here. So I made it to work and on time. It's 2:04 last time I checked, so let me go ahead and hurry up and clock in. Bye guys.